And today I will cockroach. This is the cockroach you can see in the image. I will tell you about more in detail about cockroach. Cockroach, its scientific name is Blatodia, are among the most ancient and resilient insect, often appearing nearly identical to fossil dating back 3 feet 20 million years. They are characterized by a flat oval body. You can see this flexible antenna and dark leather brown or blackish exoskeleton. While about 4600 species exist above cockroach, only about 30 are associated with human habitats acting as pests. What if you talk about the anatomy and the psychology? The body is divided into three parts. You can see that the head, thorax, and this is the abdomen. The triangular head features compound eyes, antenna for sensing odor and vibration, and chewing mouth parts. They are extremely hardy. A cockroach can live for a week without its head due to a distributed nervous system and can survive for a month without food. If you talk about the habitat and its habit, cockroaches are primarily nocturnal and prefer warm, dark, damp environments like sewer system, drain, and kitchen. They are omnivorous scavenger consuming food, paper, glue, hair and soap. Their ability to tolerate high levels of radiation and survive on minimal resources make them highly successful. If we talk about the life cycle and its reproduction, if I will talk about its life cycle and reproduction, they undergo incomplete metamorphosis, which consists of three stages: egg, nymph, and adult. Female deposits egg in protective casing called an otocia, which can hold up to 40 eggs. Nymphs looks like smaller wings. Adults going through multiple molds before notching maturity. Significance: if we talk about the significance and importance, the significance of cockroach, you can see that cockroach are considered vectors for disease including salmonella and E. coli, as they contaminate food with bacteria from filthy environments. They are also significant source of allergens that can trigger asthma. However, in nature they play a vital role as decomposers, recycling, organic. So guys, I will tell you more about the cockroach. You can see here, guys, you can see this is the cockroach. I will show you one parts. You can see the eyes and its head. This is the neck, and this is all about the abdomen of cockroach. I will show you another angle. You can see like this. This is the cockroach. You can see his eye and its body system. गाइस, आप जानते हैं कि ये जो है कॉकरोच, ये बिना सर के भी 1 हफ्ते तक जीवित रह सकता है, और यह पानी में कम से कम 30 मिनट तक सरवाइव कर सकता है गाइस। और साथ ही साथ ये 40 मिनट तक बिना सांस लिए भी जिंदा रह सकता है। दिस इज ऑल अबाउट कॉकरोच गाइस, यू कैन सी हियर, एंड दिस इज द कॉकरोच आई विल सी इन द इमेज. So thank you for watching and keep update about this small cockroach. You know, this is live. It makes a, you can see movement. You can see the movement of this cockroach. This is live guys. This is not a dead. You can see. This is the live demo of cockroach.